Hello, my name is Fiska Fariza and I'm currently studying at Maritim Raja Ali Haji University, majoring in English education, and I belong to the class of 2021. I'm originally from Tanjung Pinang and have been living there since childhood. Today I will explain about review journal, and this is the part that I will explain in this journal review. The first is statement of the problem, and the second is objective and scope and limitation, and the fourth research design and methodology, and the fifth finding result and conclusion, and the last is recommendation for problem. For research introduction session, I will explain the title of this journal. The title of the journal is Enhancing Learning Awareness of English Teacher in Indonesia Elementary School, a lesson study. And the statement of the problem in this study is the research paper focused on the implementation of lesson study in Indonesia, with a particular emphasis on the challenge faced by teachers in sustaining lesson study practice, the importance of collaborative discussion in the lesson study cycle, the role of lesson study in improving teacher professional knowledge and skill, and the potential of online lesson study during the COVID-19 pandemic. The objective in this study: in Indonesia, lesson study was introduced in 2000 as a collaborative project aimed at improving teaching performance. However, after the initial government support project ended, schools struggled to continue with lesson study due to time constraints and difficulty in implementing the chosen learning activities and media. Lesson study cycle involves setting goals, designing plans, implementing teaching activities, evaluating performance, and reflecting on the lesson study. Active participation in collaborative discussion is essential for effective lesson study, as it helps teachers share knowledge and develop the learning process. Lesson study allows teachers to improve their professional knowledge and skill, promote student-centered learning, and accommodate student interests. What is scope and limitation in this study? As we can see, in recruiting the participant, the research applied a homogeneous sibling technique. The participants of this research were five English teachers of elementary school in different cities in Indonesia. They taught different grades and different schools as shown in table 1, as you can see. Okay, the second is research design and methodology. The first is source of data. The research observed the learning process and conduct interview with the teacher, and all the procedures were conducted online through Zoom meeting and WhatsApp. After gaining the data, the research analyzed the data by reducing the data, displaying the data, and making conclusion or verification. The second is research instrumentation. The research joined the online class and observed how the learning activities went out by using an observation sheet adapted from Fitriati, Rosli, and Iksan, 2022. The observation sheet focused on student learning, behavior, and teacher performance. After the observation, the research conduct interview session online using the Zoom meeting apps and WhatsApp to enrich the data. The interview were conducted with the 5 English teachers of elementary school in different cities in Indonesia who participate in the lesson study. Gathering procedure. They observe the learning process and conduct interview with the teacher. The research monitor and help the teacher during the lesson study procedure, which include setting goals, designing the data, implementing the plan of the learning process. All of the procedure were conducted online through Zoom meeting and WhatsApp. After conducting several procedures, the research interviewed all the participants. The research used interview guidelines and observation sheet to collect data. Finally, the research analyzed the data by reducing the data, displaying the data, and making conclusion or verification. The last is statistical tools. The research used a case study method to investigate and describe the experience and perception of 5 English teachers of elementary school in different cities in Indonesia who participate in the lesson study. The data collection involved observation and interview in an online mode. After gaining the data, the research analyzed the data by reducing the data, displaying the data, and making conclusion or verification. The findings were present in a descriptive manner without any statistical analysis. The last is explain about the problem, finding, conclusion, and recommendation. As we can see in the table, the research question is 4 and the last is the problem, finding, conclusion, and recommendation session. As we can see in the table, the problem in this research is how can lesson study be used to enhance teacher learning awareness during this pandemic situation. And the finding is the author provide 2 main findings relate to how lesson study enhance teacher learning awareness during the COVID-19 pandemic situation. The first finding is that by implementing lesson study, teachers can see their role in the learning process and tend to develop their professionalism in teaching. The second finding is that lesson study can help teachers to reflect on their teaching practice and improve their teaching quality. The detailed result can be seen in the following parts of the PDF. In the conclusion, in this study, based on the finding, the author concludes that lesson study can facilitate teachers to enhance their learning awareness by helping them to reflect on their teaching practice, understand their role in the learning process, and develop their professionalism in teaching. By taking the role of a facilitator and a learner in the learning process, teachers can guide and encourage students to achieve their learning goals and improve their teaching skill and performance. Overall, the author suggests that lesson study can be a useful collaborative project for teachers to continuously improve their teaching practice and enhance their learning awareness, even in challenging situations like the pandemic. And the recommendation based on the finding of this study, the author recommend that English teachers in Indonesia elementary school should consider implementing lesson study as a collaborative approach to improving their teaching performance. By conducting lesson studies, teachers can enhance their learning awareness and develop their professionalism in teaching. They can perceive their roles as facilitator and learning in the learning process, which can help them guide and encourage the students to achieve their learning goals and learn from their teaching experience. Moreover, teachers can find out attractive learning activities that are suitable for the student. Therefore, lesson study can be an effective approach to improving the quality of teaching and learning in elementary school in Indonesia, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic situation. At the end of the presentation, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizer for giving me the opportunity to present my research. I would also like to thank the audience for their attention and engagement throughout the presentation. Your preference and interest are greatly appreciated. Thank you all once again for being a part of this session.